Welcome. This episode we will be building part 3-02, the boiler foundation ring for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be building part 3-02, boiler foundation ring for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up the MMGS. Let's go to top plane, sketch, 2 circles, 1, oh, not that one, and 2, both in the center, that works. Okay, the outside one will be 244, the inside one will be 203. There we go, bring that down there. 203, 244, yep, looks good. Feature, screwed, you're going to leave that on the base again. That's going to be 12 high, and okay. So, colour, got some copper on there. There we go, beautiful. So that's there. So we need 2 holes there, 2 holes there. 2's going to be 5mm, 2's going to be 6mm. That sounds familiar. The bottom of the piece we just did last time. So we want front plane again. Normal 2. Sketch. Zoom in a bit. There we go. So we want hole. That one's got to be horizontal. Beautiful. Smart dimension. These are going to be 5mm. And 5mm. It's going to be 6mm from the top, up from the bottom, sorry. Actually, doesn't matter which way. That was 12, wasn't it? I think it was. Man, I cannot grab that line easily for some reason. 6. Oh. Yeah, we don't need that one because I've got what we did there. So, but this is going to be 19 from this point to that point. 19. Center circle to that point. 19. And that's going to be feature, extrude cut, through all, do the other way, and done. There we go. That's that section done. So let's go again. Normal, sketch, circle, one there, that point and that point's going to be, that's circumference picked as well, so that's why it didn't work. There, beautiful. That's going to be 6mm up again. There we go. 6mm. And that's going to be 16 from the center. 16. And 16. Hold on. Sixteen. They don't line up. That one's lined up. Well, hold on. 6mm. That helps. 6mm. But they didn't line up this time. Didn't the other ones line up? I have to look at that. What do you do? Let's just be screwing this out. Through all. Done. Let's have a look at this one. 5. 19. We go front plane. It lined up perfectly. Okay. Did I do a wrong measurement there? Let me have a look. That's what the top one did, wasn't it? $19, 5mm, 6. Oh, that should be 16. 16. There we go. Yeah, the back one's a 16. They don't line up. There we go. That's fixed. Ooh, had me worried there for a sec. Had me worried. Okay, that's part is done. That's part 3-02, boiler foundation ring done. So if you enjoyed the episode, I appreciate it. Click the like button, subscribe, comment. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.